today we are going to learn how to create halftone effect in Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started. Select the rectangle. Take shape of the pixels. I select a linear gradient and set the degrees to 45. Select the shape, go to Effect, go to Pixelate and color halftone. Select the max radius to 15 and remaining values to 90 degrees and click on OK. Now select the shape. As you can see, all the dots are very close. So let's edit the gradient. You can edit as per your requirement. For me, this is fine now. Select the shape. Go to Object, Expand Appearance. Now click on Image Trace and High Fidelity Photo. Now click on Expand. Select Magic Wand tool and click on White Area and click on Delete. Now set this in the one corner of the shape and fill it with any bold color, vibrant color. As you can see, our halftone effect is ready, so next time use this technique. Let me know in the comment section.